Okay. Hey everyone, it's Liz over at the Jones Group, and today with me I have Tiffany Cross from Dedicated Credit Repair. Hey Tiffany.
Hello, thanks for having me, Liz.
Oh, it's my pleasure. And I truly do love your virtual background. That is awesome.
Thank you.
Hey, listen, we were talking the other day and I wanted to have you on here. You are doing some amazing things for people. And as I represent both buyers and sellers, we're seeing some serious challenges for buyers out there right now. And they obviously, when they go in to make an offer, they've got to be their very best. And lots of people through this COVID crazy has been impacted. Some of their credit has been hit. You got any advice for them right now?
Absolutely. I think the main thing that we're seeing is that there's just so much misinformation out there. And I think people don't know where to go. Do they go to their financial planner for information? Do they go to their mortgage lender, their realtor? Where do they go? And I think at the end of the day, the answer is all the things. I think right now, depending on your goals, there's not ever going to be a one size fits all solution to a particular situation. So I would say right now, if you're in the process of trying to recover from COVID and your employment has been, questionable, but you're back on track, the very first thing I'm going to recommend is that you sit down with an expert, especially someone that knows exactly what you're trying to accomplish so that we could put you on a fast track to recovery. So with COVID, we've seen a ton of people in loan forbearance, whether it be their student loans, their mortgages, their automobiles, or perhaps they thought they were in forbearance and they were not. So now is the time to address those things, like literally yesterday. And so with us, we'd like to sit down with all of the clients that are in that situation that are just seeing a couple icky things pop up on their credit report that are surprising them. We need to address it.
That's awesome. Well, since you brought up forbearance, just one quick note on that. So there's some, like you say, misinformation. People heard that it was okay to stop making their payments. Define what you're seeing out there and where it's probably going.
Surprisingly, this was a very different thing than 2010, which is what we were kind of thinking it was going to be very similar to, where lenders were going to be the wild, wild west of reporting things, short sales and foreclosures uniquely. I got to tell you, we really aren't seeing the erroneous reporting that we had predicted, which is wonderful. Realistically, when the CARES Act went into implementation around March and April, we did see that lenders stopped reporting at all. I think they were so afraid of doing it incorrectly or being fined and penalized that many lenders just simply stopped reporting any data at all during that temporary period of time, which in fact did actually affect people negatively who had positive trade lines that they were needing to qualify for mortgage loans. So it was just a crazy scenario. But surprisingly, we have seen that there wasn't a whole lot of erroneous information being reported, which is wonderful.
Wow, that's great. Well, this is awesome. Now, how can somebody reach out to you? Let's say if they want to do a fast track to raise their credit, what's the best way to reach out to you?
The best thing to do is to either go to our website, which is dcrusa.com, and just go on our website, schedule a free consultation. It can be done over the phone, or guys, we're back open. So our office is open for face-to-face, eyeball-to-eyeball consultations, which are always our preference. But if you're still wanting to do them virtually, we will absolutely accommodate that. Or you can call us to schedule, which is our 951-246-7754.
Wonderful. Tiffany, thank you so much. You're always a wealth of knowledge, and we appreciate you taking the time out of your day to be here.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Thanks.